Hi and welcome to Module 2 of the British Sign Language course. What I want to do now is how we can start incorporating what we've learned from the numbers and from the alphabet into general conversation and sentencing. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to say "how are you" in British Sign Language. So if you're meeting somebody there, you want to ask them how they are, it is "how are you?" So it's "how are you?" Okay, so it's fairly simple sign, that one. So I'll do that again. "How are you?" Now they may respond, "Good." So maybe, "Good, thank you." So "good, thank you." Okay, so thank you, sir. Thank you. Good, thank you. Okay, so we'll go straight back to that one again. "How are you?" And in response it may be, "Good, thank you." And you could obviously return with "how are you" to the person you've been talking to there. Okay, so then we'll move from that one to ask what the name is. Okay, so what we do in this one, remember that the British Sign Language is not grammar and structured is not the same way as English. So you're not going to say "what is your name," you say "your name what." So it is "your name what." So it's simple like "your." So with "your," it's your fist and it's put forward like "your name" and then "what." Okay. In response it will be "my name," and in my case it's Simon, so it'll be Simon. So again I'll do that, Simon. Okay. Then you may want to ask their age. I know you don't do this always in everyday conversation, but this is something you may want to do, and this brings the numbers into it. So this will be age. So age you. Okay, so age you. And in response it's age me, and then they give the age out in response to that. Okay, so we'll and then what we'll do there is now what to say if you want to, if you've met somebody for the first time. So it'll be nice. So it's nice to meet you. So nice to meet you. Okay. So again, that's it. And again, what I said previously about lip movement and keeping your mouth moving is really important in this one. So we'll start again and we'll go back to where we was there at the very start of this one. So we'll go through the full conversation. So how are you? My name is Simon. Your name what? Age me. Age you. Nice to meet you. And that was obviously good, thank you. So the response to "how are you?" Okay. So what we've done there is trying to formulate and put sentences together. It isn't the easiest thing in the world, and it does come after a bit of time. But one of the reasons that makes it slightly more difficult is because British Sign Language is not formulated the same as English, not structured the same way as spoken English. So in which case it is slightly different the way you do it. It's actually shorter, more concise. I think it's probably easier when you're signing. But the problem that if you've been conditioned to the spoken English, it's difficult to get that out of your head when you're actually signing signs. But that does come on with time. Okay, so I'll just go quickly back through what we've done there. So it's "how are you?" So remember the type of that one. "How are you?" And kind of try and look inquisitive when you're saying it. I probably didn't there, but you do. So "how are you?" So doing it like that, and then "good, thank you," which could be the response that you're giving if somebody asks you, or the response they give to you. So it's "good, thank you." Okay. Then you can ask them the name, but first of all you can start by giving your own name if you like. So it's "my name is Simon. Your name what?" So it's "my name Simon. Your name what?" And then it's age. You go into the age bit. So age me 21. Age you. So you can simply ask them like that. And then at the end it's "nice to meet you." Remember, nice is there. Nice to meet you. So you draw both fingers together there. Meet